Okay, let's get right to it. Will AI replace the property claims adjuster?
The quick answer? No. But that's definitely not the whole story.
Here's the real story. An adjuster who uses AI will replace one who doesn't.
We're moving into an era of humanomation, a true partnership between AI and human expertise. You see, AI is designed to crush administrative tasks, not to replace your professional judgment.
And get this, regulations actually require a licensed human to review the data before denying any claim.
So what does this all mean on the ground? How is the role really changing?
Basically, AI is taking over the repetitive stuff, and the difference in speed and accuracy is huge.
For a simple claim, like a few missing shingles, AI can now handle that instantly. And what that does is free up human adjusters for what truly matters.
Out in the field, adjusters are basically becoming tech pilots, armed with some powerful new tools.
The whole workflow is shifting from being buried in documents to being driven by data.
Using a drone, you can scan a property and get a solid repair estimate right on site. Back in the office, the job is moving from endless data entry to data verification. So, instead of writing estimates from scratch, you're auditing AI scopes. This cuts drafting time by 70%. Let's be clear, AI handles the math now. Your real value is shifting to the people side.
This is where the human element becomes absolutely irreplaceable. AI power meets the human heart.
Your job becomes about what an algorithm can't do: empathy, negotiation, and solid ethical judgment.
And critically, regulations demand a human in the loop, ensuring final accountability stays with you. With claim volumes skyrocketing from extreme weather, the industry frankly needs this tech just to keep up.
So, no, your job isn't disappearing, but your toolkit, it's evolving, and fast.
In fact, we're already seeing totally new job titles popping up to manage this technology.
So what's your ultimate job security? Developing AI literacy. The real question is, are you ready?